Hello and welcome to Tech Toolers. In today's video we will be looking at one more SEO tool, which is CSS gradient. Create beautiful gradient color website with this tool. You can choose between radial or banded gradients. You can change your desired color and you also get CSS code to create your content. With CSS gradient you can explore wide range of colors, and it also has an inbuilt swatches library to inspire you. For UI UX builders, there are many tools within CSS gradient like UI gradient, web gradient, and color hues. You can even make gradient color buttons for your iOS, Android, or web app. Thanks for watching Tech Toolers. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon.